Benefits of green tea. Number 1. Green tea has fat-burning properties. Speeding up your metabolism is a surefire way to feel better in general. When your bodily systems are working at top-notch capacity, it's a bonus to overall health. And the fact that green tea increases fat burning means that your blood is flowing better, your heart is pumping at a rate it should, and your digestive system is humming right along. Number 2. Green tea may fight certain cancers. This is big. After all, we all know someone who has been affected by cancer and may have even faced it ourselves. So, to know that green tea may fight cancer is a pretty big incentive to add it to your day. The types of cancer that may be prevented are pretty numerous too, including mouth, kidney, pancreas, stomach, and mammary glands, among others. Number 3. Green tea may help with weight loss. A lot of people who have issues with their weight find that it is often an accumulation of pounds around the middle. Green tea may help you lose weight and, in turn, get rid of fat. In a study of overweight subjects, the findings were that weight and waist circumference decreased in those who drank green tea. Number 4. Green tea can fight cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular diseases are high up there when it comes to the cause of death. Green tea can affect cholesterol levels that play a factor in conditions like stroke and heart attack. Drink green tea to lower the LDL, bad cholesterol in the blood. Number 5. Green tea may prevent type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes is on the increase. It could be due to today's diets and the fact that we often exercise less than we should. Insulin sensitivity is reduced thanks to green tea consumption, and blood sugar levels, a culprit of diabetes, are lowered too. Number 6. Green tea benefits oral health. Your oral health is important too. In fact, some illnesses and diseases can result from a less than taken care of set of teeth and gums. The catechins in green tea fight against oral bacteria. Number 7. Green tea protects the brain. The catechins in green tea really are the star of the show. They provide many benefits and have also been proven to protect the neurons of the brain. Cognitive impairment is reduced and the risk of neurodegenerative diseases is lowered. Number 8. Green tea helps brain function. The caffeine in green tea acts as a stimulant. Not only do we feel more energetic after drinking coffee or tea, but green tea is known to improve the function of the brain, including reaction time, mood, and productivity. Number 9. Green tea fights inflammation. The flavonoids in green tea have been proven to fight inflammation in the body. The component epigallocatechin gallate in green tea has anti-inflammatory effects and protects cell DNA. There are also antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties in green tea which also work against inflammation. Number 10. Green tea protects against bone loss. Studies show that drinking green tea may stimulate mineralization which generates bone formation. Bone loss may be improved, and there may be added protection against osteoporosis because of the strengthening of the bones. Subscribe to the channel for more.